Make a straight line like going up a mountain and then going down. Then, do the same thing again. Draw a straight line down for the wall. Then, draw the chimney. Draw a line under the house. Make a rectangular shape for the door. And square shape for the window. To make a sweet home, add plants to the side of the house. Then draw a big tree. Trees have trunks, twigs, and leaves. Trees have many benefits. Cool the house in summer. Clean the air. Help prevent flooding. And many more. And finally, we draw the sun. Let's color. Red. Red color for the roof. Green color for plants. For the chimney, we color it blue. Orange. Color the door with orange. Purple for the window. Yellow. Paint all the walls. Color slowly, try not to cross the lines.